my rest of members are Vaishnavi, Shweta, Komal and Vishali. These are the contents that we are discussing in this PPT. What is our problem statement is, our actual problem statement is, nowadays as we know there are security related problems arises because of unknown peoples are get easily entry in a society, so they can cause a major so there will be major incidents like theft or thefting the cycles or any vehicles, or sometimes it maybe goes to a higher point that someone kidnap someone child. So there will be lack of security to the society. So there are also salesmen landing in buildings without any permission. So there is a timid for society members about them. So we are currently working on to manage how we solve this problem. Currently they are managing this problem by using the watchman and CCTV camera also. Then solutions are these. As I told, they are currently solving the problem by the watchman. And what our solution will give them benefit is, we allow the or we compulsory to each person who enter in the society have to take a registration, not on a any paper, it's on a mobile application, and send a particular photo or a particular person to that respective member or society. And if someone's maid is coming, then we are take her photo and send to her owner about the she is coming in a society. So next we'll explain by Rushali.
Am I audible, sir? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes, you are.
Yes. Next slide is customer persona. So here we have taken the interview of Suraj Shinde, that is age is 28 and the occupation is engineering. Status is married and the address is Pune. Next slide, please. Let's come to the point. Next slide, Ankita. Yes. So what is the main goal is, first is control security. Next is get notified when your maid checks in and allow authorized visitor entries in one click. So what is the problem of the customer? So unknown people enters in the society and do any activity. So for that, to solve this kind of problem, we have made a solution, that is mobile application. Next slide, please. Yes. Next is value proposition canvas. So basically here there are two parts. First is customer segment and the value proposition, and the customer segment is divided into the three parts. First is customer job, pains and gains. The customer jobs are monitoring vehicles or other equipments time to time. Next is checking CCTV cameras, it is proper working or not. Sometimes generators or inverters goes down, so this process is very hectic process. And next is everyday customer needs to check the gate which is locked or not. So these are the customer jobs. Let's see the what are the customer pains. So entry to the unauthorized people. Next is rendering of salesperson, maintaining of CCTV cameras, and last one is waste of time for checking the entry register. Means whenever the unauthorized user enter in the society, generally user should enter in the register. So sometimes it is waste of the time and the entry can be modified. So this is the main disadvantage. So what are the gains? So deny the entry of the unauthorized person. Let's see to the next part, that is value proposition. So it can be divided into the three parts. First is gain creator, pain relievers, and product and customers. So how can the gain create? First is information about the visitor. We have collect the information about the visitor. Next is taking photo of visitor for the identification. So using that we can achieve our gains. Next is pain relievers. So no need to check entry register manually because the app will work. Next is it will obviously saves the time. No need the use of the CCTV camera. So product and the services to develop mobile application for preventing unknown entries in the society, and the information about the made checks in or the checkouts. So this all about the value proposition. Next slide please. Next slide, please, Ankita. Yes. Next is a lean canvas or business model. So it has 8 attributes. First is customer segment. So customer segments in that means watchmen's handling the application as well as society residential use the application. Second attribute is problem. So non-societal entry is the one of the problem. Rendering of salesperson, watchman, that is physical works is there. Next is stealing of things means vehicles, bicycles, that like. Next is existing alternatives, that is watchman service, and another is CCTV camera. So next attribute is unique value proposition and high level concept. So all the services in one application to allow to show users entry in the society and getting information about the servant, maids and delivery people. So high level concept means by using the BSafe application, we get details information about the persons who visit society, and it's very friendly for their use. Next is channels. So word of the mouth, social media, that is WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and last is user referrals. Next is revenue streams. So 20% pay for each form of new registration. Next is cost structure. So the cost is divided into 3. So product development, marketing, and the salary. And the key matrices are number of users, number of registration, and the income. So key activities which are going to consider: taking registration through application, sending photo to a respective resident, information about the visitor. So it's all about the lean canvas. Next slide will explain by the Shweta. Are you there, Shweta?
Shweta is not there in the team. You can continue with that.
Okay, sir. Next slide, Ankita.
Ankita, put the PPT on full screen mode.
So yes, next is MVP. So the first step is figure out what problem you are solving and for whom. So the people that we identify as a word solving is the security problem related to the society. We take on the interview of some society members, then we analyze that among them 80% people have the threat of unknowing people entrance in the society cause major incidents. We are solving this problem for the people who are live in the society. Next step is analyze your competitors. No broken hoods, apartment app, safe gate, life gate, and security, and my gate. So these are the competitors. Third is define the user flow. Visitor details is the first flow. Send it intended society person. Check visitor identity, expected visitor, allow entry to the society. So these are the flow. Next step is list all the necessary features and prioritize them. We provide this application in less cost. We provide the 10% service fee, instant security alert, automated guest authentication, real-time face authentication. Next step is build, test, and learn. So alpha testing limited to the family members, friends. The move to the beta testing used for the unlimited group of people in the real time. So learning is system thinking, design thinking, business model, team learning, cost analysis, and manage unknown people. Yes, next. Can you explain, Ankita, further?
Okay, this is our prototype. First page is a be safe. There are two options, that is login or either sign up. In a login, we have to log in by email ID and password as usual it is, and otherwise we can first register it with the sign up form. Uh, then next is we add a society and members here, add a flat and a city, society, flat number, building, and his household or community or guest. Then next slides are this is the how this is a picture after enrolling the person, and if any member if their particular maid or any servant of their home, they will add here. Then here are local services, notice boards, and some emergency, and this is the form, as we say, that is of here is a pic of the person who is registered it. It is sent to the particular person, resident person, and he will say as a approver, means he is a member of that or a servant of that house. Then he say approve, or he will get a entry in a society. Otherwise, if he reject, then he will not get a entry in a society. So next will be explained by Komal.
So next is the competition analysis. These are five competitors, and these are the parameters. First is the product. For the non-brokerhood, it is an application for the security of the society. All these are for the security of the society, and for us, we develop an application for its society, providing the more features like real-time face authentication. Next is the UVP, unique value propagation. This is for no broken hood for protection, apartment app for the security application, SafeGate for provide security, and LiveGate security gives the information about the maid check-in or check-out. MyGate app gives send the notification to the owner for the request, and we provide this application in less cost and more feature. For the price, no broken hood is and 20% service free for the customers. Apartment app 20% service and the maintenance free also. SafeGate 20% service free. LiveGate security 30%. MyGate 20% service, and we provide the 10% service free. Next is the branding. Branding, all these are the applications. Next is the market review. For the no broken hood, there is an 4.3 review. It's a very useful app. Next is the apartment app. There an 4.1 review. It's also a very useful app. Then SafeGate gives an 4.8 review, and it is used for has society in cities. Next is the LiveGate security, gives an 1.0 review, and for MyGate application there an 4.3 rating. And according to we asked to the give the interview, they said, and it's very useful for the society. Next, Ankita. Hello.
It's visible now. Komal?
Yes. Next is a make sale. So for us, sales pitch is an the customers who are live in the societies who needs this app for the security. We are in which unauthorized persons are came into the society. The residential face the many problem regarding the unauthorized entry in their society without their acknowledgement. Also, they are very concerned about security concern about their family. Sometimes security guard is also not doing their job very then to solve this problem, the security problem, our product come into the picture. Then society and register through the app. When the unknown person came into the society, notification get to the respective residential through the face authentication. If the person is known for the residential, it will accept the notification and will allow to the entry into the society. Next is the questions. Did your customer seem interest in the product? When we talk about the project to the customers, they just show the interest and ask the question, what is this, and how it will be help for us. Then next is the, did the customer seem the convince or impressed with your sales pitch? Yes, customer seems the impressed with our sales pitch. When we told about our product, they said it's very useful for the people who are live in the society, where because sometimes unauthorized person also came into the society. To secure the society from the unauthorized persons, it will be helpful. Ankita, next. Next is based on actual experiment, how do you think you can improve your sales pitch? Then we can improve the sales pitch as we use it will helpful for the small society, and if we add more feature into it, it can be helpful for us the high class society also. Then which part of your positioning statement help in your sales pitch? Is the customer benefit that product offers. If the customer's benefits are fulfilled, our product will be offered. What did you learn from this experience? So when we ask to the customers whether it will be helpful for your this product, so they tell us it's very good app and it will secure for the society. And also we give the feedback from their side for our product. Next will be explained by Vaishnavi.
Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, please go ahead.
Am I audible?
Yes, Vaishnavi.
Yes, Vaishnavi, you are audible.
Yeah. Next part is a go-to-market. A go-to-market strategy is an action plan that specify how customer will reach target customer and achieve a competitive advantage. This process is addressed to the price of product or service. Now let's see the back envelope calculation or financial performance of our project. Funding. So the main funding source is that we are going to spend our personal expenses while the developing application. Total funds we will be invested that amount is the 70,000 which will require for a developing app. Our expectation is 4 units will be sold per day. Estimate cost of our product is 200. That means the customer will have to pay the price of 200 rupees while installing app first time. Then the revenue. Our revenue will be 2,88,000 per year, and profit we will get a 24,000 rupees per month. After first 3 months, each month we will get this much profit after product develop. Break even. We will reach a break even level after first year or after the app deployment. Payback period is 3 to 4 months. In the first 3 to 4 months, we will cover the cost for app which we will be spent on making application. Next slide, please. Our product is an online service based product. Total cost of product is a 63,800. That is the product costing. That amount involve many things. That is the equipment cost like laptop, mobile, monthly expenses, rent of place, raw material, developer cost, advertisement. All these things cost a total of 63,800. And the product price is, as I already told, that is a 200 rupees. The customer will have to pay price of 200 rupees while installing app the first time. Next slide. Finally, we conclude or summarize that this product is a feasible as well as real venture for us. We will definitely earn by developing this product and at the same time provide a security to the society. Now we create a prototype. Our next step is to develop this app by investing in it on ourselves. Next slide. Thank you, sir. That's all from our side.
Okay, Ankita, Vijaya here. Thank you very much for presenting your practice venture. And I was trying to understand that how differently you have designed your product and what is the USP. So can you take me back quickly to the Lean Canvas